Don't be daunted, overcoming fear in language learning. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a very inspiring phrase, don't be daunted. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a powerful mantra that can guide you through your language learning journey and beyond. Understanding and applying this phrase can truly transform your approach to challenges. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of meaning behind "Don't be daunted." The phrase, "Don't be daunted," is a call to courage and resilience. To be daunted means to be intimidated or discouraged by the difficulty, scope, or complexity of something. So, when someone tells you, "Don't be daunted," they're essentially saying, don't let fear or the size of the challenge discourage you. It's an encouragement to face challenges boldly and not to give up easily. Learning a new language is a journey filled with ups and downs. You might encounter complex grammar, challenging vocabulary, or pronunciation that feels impossible at first. This is where the phrase, "Don't be daunted," becomes your beacon of hope. Embracing this mindset means you acknowledge the difficulty but choose to persevere. Remember, every language learner starts somewhere, and it's the continuous effort and resilience that lead to mastery. 1. Set realistic goals. Break your learning into small, manageable goals. Achieving these will boost your confidence and motivate you to keep going. 2. Celebrate small wins. Every new word or correct sentence is a step forward. Celebrate these achievements to fuel your journey. 3. Seek support. Join language learning communities, find a study buddy, or engage with native speakers. Support makes the journey less daunting. 4. Embrace mistakes. View mistakes as learning opportunities. Each error brings you one step closer to fluency. "Don't be daunted" is more than a phrase. It's a mindset to embrace in language learning and life. Remember, the path to fluency is a journey of courage, effort, and resilience. We hope this video inspires you to face your language learning journey with a bold heart and an unshaken spirit. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't forget, don't be daunted. Until next time, happy learning!